So Mr. Sobolski, why don't you come up and we'll get you on your way. I don't see her here yet, so. Is there an attorney on the other side? Do you remember?
I don't know for this case, I'm not sure.
Okay. Oh, my speaker must be on. I was like, what is that? Okay, so this is in the matter of Jacqueline Lee Sobolski versus Barry Andrew Sobolski, file number 2019-46484DM. Mr. Sobolski is here in person. Mr. Sobolski, we received a call this morning from Miss Iddings, who was ill. So are you comfortable proceeding today without her?
Yeah.
Okay. So Mr. Sobolski, we were here, well, we've been coming back for a while. So we have an income withholding in place for Good Life Tattoo, but you're not paid as an employer, or are you 1099?
I'm 1099 now this year. I'm going to switch back though. This is not working out for me.
Okay, so you're going to switch back to being an employee where they take taxes out?
Yeah, I have that option to do either one. So
okay, yeah, I always find personally it's better to just have other people take care of it than be responsible myself. So all right, so we haven't received a payment since September 5. And back in January, we ordered an extra $50 a month for an arrearage. We only received 302 in September, and the last payment received from the employer at all was the September 5 payment.
that should not be correct. I've been working every week since then, and actually last week on Wednesday I just made a $500 payment.
Does that show, Ms. Stevenson? When we print this off, it might not have showed because it takes about 72 hours for it to show up on our system.
It does, Your Honor. It looks like there was a $500 payment made on October 2nd, and we received 4 checks from the employer on the 3rd. So it was all after the court was prepared.
So everything showed up at the list. Okay. All right. So Mr. Sobolski, I'm going to adjourn this out to like, Becky, do I have a December date, like mid-December or something? How many kids?
3.
I don't know if Becky's at her desk. Michelle, do you have a date for us in December?
Yeah, how about if we try December 9th or the 16th?
Let's do December 16. So Mr. Sobolski, make sure you're making your minimum monthly with some going extra on the rearage. It's probably down now, but at 1 minute it was at last time we looked before that money dropped, it was at 10,000, and you know that's when the AG started. Yeah, you're gonna keep it down, down, down. So we'll see you back on December 16th and make your minimum payment plus at least extra on the rearage. Okay. All right. Thank you. Have a good day. In the matter of Ashley Phibbs versus Robert Clement, file number 2015-41511DS, that matter is dismissed. In the matter of Sarah Cundiff versus Simon Cundiff, file number 2016-43448DM, that matter is adjourned to November 18. Let's go to. She's here too. All right, Mr. Ingraham and Ms. Luma, if you can unmute and start your device. Mr. Ingraham. There it goes.
Sorry.
All right, it's okay, thank you. So in the matter of Carissa Luma versus Alexander Ingraham, file number 2013-39357DP, both parties are present via Zoom. This is a date and time set for a show cause. So Mr. Ingraham, you are ordered to pay $579 a month in child support. As of today's date, we have an arrearage of $8,839.09. The last payment we received was a tax intercept back on April 3rd of 24 in the amount of $711. We have not received a voluntary payment on this case since November of 2023. You filed for a support review back in March. It looks like they mailed out a notice of no change. And Mr. Ingraham, your arrearage is now at the point where the Attorney General's office could charge you with a 4-year felony, which means the maximum penalty you could be facing could be up to 4 years in prison. So, Mr. Ingraham, this is your first contempt. So if you were to plead guilty or be found guilty of this contempt, you could be facing up to 45 days in jail. On a second contempt, you could face up to 90 days in jail. So, Mr. Ingraham, would you like an attorney appointed to represent you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Mr. Ingraham, we will appoint an attorney to represent you. I'm gonna let the attorney know. And we'll get that mailed out to, or emailed out to her. Okay, so I'm gonna put you guys in the waiting room and it'll just be hopefully a few minutes. In the matter of Anderson or Mackenzie Anderson versus Nicholas Wagatha.
Your Honor, I'm sorry to interrupt. Mr. Wagatha paid, so if we could just adjourn that out, I would appreciate it.
When would you like that adjourned to?
Can we do like November 18th?
Okay, and that's file number 2013-39610DS, and that'll be adjourned to November 18th at 8 a.m. All right, so we just need Miss Underwood. And that should just be a few minutes. I'm gonna take the paperwork back to Becky. Hi, what's your name?
Hi. What?
Oh, okay. Right. Michelle Stevenson, do I have a pickup on Joseph Spresser as well?
I believe they're getting those ready, Your Honor.
Okay. Becky already sent, I appointed counsel, Miss Adams on Ingraham, and I did email those to both of Miss Underwood's email addresses.
Okay, thank you.
Please rise for court's out of session. I will answer presiding.
Do you want the number on this one? Oh, sure, thanks, Judge.
Please be seated.
Thanks.
Okay.
Hey, this is Judge Anzalone. Do you have Joseph Spresser on the first floor?
Yes, we do.
Could I see him?
Yes, we will throw them in there for you.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Bye. Brenda's in front of Judge O, so she'll be with us next. Brenda's down the hall, yeah. Okay. Sure. There's somebody on a device that says Vortex. What is your name, please? Oh, Mr. Klein, good morning. All right, I'm gonna change your screen name and I'm not quite to you yet. So I will bring you back in a few minutes, okay?
Ma'am.
All right, thank you. I thought Joseph Spresser had 2 files, Ms. Stevenson.
I'm not sure, but I can look.
Maybe not. I thought he did though.
It does have a few.
This is in the matter of Lisa Leora Cruikshaw versus Joseph Paul Spresser, file number 2007-32101DS. Mr. Spresser is joining us from the Lenawee County Jail. So Mr. Spresser, we are here for a couple things. One is failure to pay child support. It states here you're ordered to pay $202 a month in child support. The last payment we received was June 25 of 24. And you have an arrearage of $6,139.19, which is inching its way up to the felony level, where potentially the Attorney General could charge you with failure to pay child support, which carries a maximum penalty of up to 4 years in prison. You were ordered to appear for a show cause back on September 23rd of 2024. So we issued a bench warrant for your arrest. So Mr. Spresser, do you understand that it's a crime to fail to pay your child support up to the amount ordered? Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and do you also understand that failing to appear for court when you're ordered to do so is a contempt of court and can carry up to 93 days in jail? Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
And failure to pay child support can carry up to, in your case, because you have prior contempts, up to 90 days in jail. So, Mr. Spresser, you have a right to have an attorney represent you at this and all subsequent hearings. If you can't afford to hire one, we will appoint you one at public expense. Would you like an attorney appointed to represent you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Mr. Spresser, I'm going to change your screen name and I'm going to pop you in the waiting room, and our attorney that handles these is next door, handling cases in front of Judge Olsaver. And when she gets back, I will bring you in and you can speak with her, all right?
Okay.
All right, thank you. And it's 8:30. All right, what is your name? Say it again.
Dana Curtis.
Okay, you are on this one. So I'm gonna stop my live stream for a minute. And we'll come back when I get